Come to the automatic operation interface. Displays the main data such as angle, speed, total production output, etc., and can also operate the main operations such as start and stop. Displays the real-time temperature of the 4 positions: upper heating, lower heating, preheating 1, and preheating 2. Displays the number of couplets produced since the machine was started. You can press clear on the right to reset it. Present angle is the angle when the machine is stopped, which is used for positioning the machine. Each part of the machine has a corresponding angle. It will change with the operation of the machine. The number means the machine press speed is 17 times per minute. Blowing air into the air pipe and pressing the mold downwards. The cup cover is formed by the stretching head. The perforated plate is pressed down to make holes in the lid. Control the pressing roller to press down and lift up. The rod pushes down to push the model out. Control the start and stop of the machine. When the cup cover has a specific pattern, control the center point position. 68 mm is the length of a single film drawing. For example, the width of this mold is 213 mm. Set this to 213 mm. Press setting. Enter password 8888. These parameters are set before shipping. If you want to modify, record the original data first. Press temperature control. The figure shows the heating temperature of PET. If the material is PS, PVC, the 4 temperatures need to be increased a little. The I/O interface can check in real time whether the operating status of each part of the machine is normal.